If you've ever wanted to see exactly what Microsoft Edge is doing behind the scenes, this quick tutorial is for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to view Edge's Chrome-like task manager in just a few clicks. This is really useful if a tab is slowing things down, if Edge feels laggy, or if you just want to check which tabs and extensions are using the most memory and CPU. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open the Edge browser on your computer. You can do this from your taskbar, desktop, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Edge is open, look to the top right corner of the window. You'll see the three horizontal dots icon, which is the main menu for Microsoft Edge. Click those three dots to open the menu. Now from the drop-down menu, hover over More Tools. As soon as you move your mouse over that option, a sub-menu will appear with additional tools and settings. In that sub-menu, click Browser Task Manager. This opens Edge's built-in task manager, which works a lot like the task manager you may know from Chrome. Inside this window, you'll see a list of tabs, processes, and extensions currently running in Edge. You can check things like memory usage, CPU usage, and how much each item is contributing to browser performance. If a tab is causing problems or using too many resources, this is the place where you can identify it quickly. It's a great way to troubleshoot slow browsing, frozen tabs, or extensions that may be affecting your system. And that's it. You've now opened Edge's Browser Task Manager. It's a simple feature, but it can be really helpful when you want to keep your browser running smoothly and see what's going on behind the scenes. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next easy tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.